Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 127. If we start with this box, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 9. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. For this row now, we're missing 2, 3, and 7. We've got the 3 here, so 2, 7, 7 here, so 2, 3, and no help here, 2, 3, 7. If we look at this box, we're missing 2, 3, 4, and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 3, 8. No help here, 2, 3, 4, 8. 2 and 3 here, so 4, 8. 2, 3, and 4 here. Makes this our 8, 4. We can get rid of this 4 and 8 and this 8. For this box, we're missing 1, 4, 8, and 9. We've got 4 and 8 here. So 1, 9, same here, 1, 9. 1 and 9 here. And a 4 here. Means this is our 8, 4. For this top row, we're missing 1, 2, 4, and 9. We've got the 4 here, so 1, 2, 9. Same here, 1, 2, 9. 1 and 2 here, so 4, 9. 1, 2, and 9 here. Means this is our 4, 9. We can get rid of this 9 and this 9. For this row now, we're missing 1, 3, 5, and 9. We've got the 3 here, so 1, 5, 9. 1, 5, and 9 here makes this our 3, and the 5 and 9 means this is our 1. And that 1 makes this our 9, 1. And that 1 and 9 means this is our 5. For this box now, we're missing 7 and 8. And I don't see any help. So 7, 8, 7, 8. Oh. This 3 makes this our 2, 7, 3. For this column now, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. For this bottom row, we're missing 4, 5, and 9. We've got 5 and 9 here, so this is our 4. 9 here, so 5, 9. For this box now, we're missing a 7. That 7 makes this our 8, 7. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 6. That 3 makes this our 2, 3. For this box now, we're missing 2, 4, and 6. We've got 4 and 6 here, so this is our 2. 4 here, so 6, 4. That 2 makes this our 1, 2. For this column now, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 9, 7. For this column, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 6, 2. For this box now we're missing a 3. For this row we're missing 1 and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 8, 1. For this row we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8, 9. For this box now we're only missing a 2. And for this box we're missing a 5. And that'll do it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.